In this video, I'll guide you through how to create this kinds of QR code which is redirect you to a Google form. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. First, you need to come to Google Form page and create your first Google form, but I am going with the existing one. Once you design your form, then click on this publish button. Now choose any one with the link and then hit on publish button. Once you publish your Google form, then click on it and then click on copy responder link. You can shorten your Google form link by checkmark on this. Now copy your shortened URL. Let me show you how you can create a QR code which will redirect you to a Google form. To create a QR code, I am going to use Canva website. Believe me guys, this is a complete free tutorial. After come this Canva website, and click on custom design and choose 500 x 500 pixel. But you can go with any custom size. Once you add a size, then click on create new design. Now click on app and search for QR code and choose any of these. Now click on one of them and paste your Google form URL and click on generate code. Now you can resize it and set to the right position. You can also add text on this image. To add text, you need to click on text and drag and drop your text style. Now resize it and set to the right position. You can also customize the color of your text. To customize the color, first select the text and click on this text color and choose any color you want. Once it's ready, then click on the share button and then download. Now choose your custom size and click on download. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily QR code for Google form.